Dear students, today we will study exercise 2.2 of class 7th. Now, first question is that which of the drawing A to D show? Number 1, 2 into 1 upon 5. We will observe 1 upon 5, it means part, how much part are here? 5 part, but here is 1, 2, 3. Now, here are 4 parts, here are 2 parts, and here are 5 parts. Therefore, shaded portion are multiplied by 2. These are two figures whose 1 upon 5 part here, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5, 2 parts. Whenever we have to add both these parts, then we get 2 upon 5. That is answer of first one is D. Now, if we add 1 upon 5, we get 2 upon 5 here. Similarly, B part, now we come to second part, 2 into 1 upon 2. Now, 2 into 1 upon 2 part is here, 1 upon 2 part is here, plus 1 upon 2 here, then we get 2 multiply 1 upon 2. Similarly, 1 upon 4, it means second part, answer is B. Answer is B. Now third part, 3 into 2 upon 3. 3 into 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, it is right, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, and these are 3. Therefore, we add these, then we get 3 multiplied 2 upon 3. That is the answer. The third part, answer is A. Answer of third is A. A is the answer. Now, we come on fourth part. Fourth part, answer of fourth part, remaining part is C. Then answer is C. Students, we can solve such type of the questions very easily. And you can observe the second question is like this. Second question, part first, I want to tell you only that other part you will do yourself. Second question is this. Some pictures A to C are given. Tell which of them show. Number 1, first part is this. 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is equal to how much? That is, first part है हमारा 3 multiply 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Then we can see the figures. These are given below. 1. These are given below. And 1 part, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we take 3 figures like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another figure also we will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then one is shaded portion among each one. Here is, this is 2 shaded and this is this shaded. Now we can write this 1 upon 5 This is also 1 upon 5 and this is also 1 upon 5. Then we can add these figures, shaded portion of these figures. Then we can take common 1 upon 5 common. Then we remain 1 plus 1 and that is equal to 1 upon 5 multiply 3 or 3 multiply 1 upon 5. Now all these parts of this question we can do already like this. Now we come on the third question, multiply and reduce lowest form. Multiply, third question is this, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Now 7, first of all we take 7 multiply 3 upon 5. We have to multiply only here, but this is not reduced in lowest form. 7 3 are 21 upon 5. Or if mixed fraction we can write. Now second question, second part is this. 27th part, we take 7th part of this 7th or 8th part, that is 20 multiply 4 upon 5. Here we can multiply here 4 upon 5 by 20, then we get 80 upon 5. Then 5 1 ja 16, we get 16 answer. So students, now we take another question. Another question means fourth question of this exercise. Like this you can solve the third question. Now we will come on question number 4. Question number 4 is shade 1 upon 2 of the circles in a box. 1 upon 2 of the circles in a box A. In box A. Box A is given. Here some circles are given. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. These are 12 circles. This is the part A. 1 upon 2 means half of the circles will be shaded. It means 1 circle, 2 circle, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. We have to shade the 6 circles. We get 6 upon 12 and divided by it 6 1 ja 6, 2 ja 12, we get 1 upon 2. We have to shade the half of the given circles. Now we come on question number 5. Other sums you can do like this. Now 5 question. Find 1 upon 2 of 24 and 46. Find 1 upon 2 of 24. This is part A1, part 1 24 and second part of 46. Now we will solve it. Solution 1 upon 2 of 24. 1 upon 2 of means multiplication by 24. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4, we get 12. Like the second part, we can solve it. 1 upon 2 of 46 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply 46. We get 23. Answer is 23. So now C part of this question, fifth question, C part. 3 upon 4 of 16 and 36. C part of this question. 3 upon 4 of first part is 16, second part is 36. Now first part we will solve. First part, 3 upon 4 of 16 is equal to 3 upon 4 multiply. In place of x we have to multiply by 16. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. Now second part we can solve like this. 3 upon 4 of 36. Then 3 upon 4 multiply 36 is equal to 3 upon 4 multiply 36. We get 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja, and answer is 27. Therefore, I hope that all of the students can solve these sums. Now we have come on question number 6. Like this is also the same question, and all the students can do very easily. Now we take question number 6. Question number 6 is multiply and express as mixed fraction. Multiply and express as mixed fraction. As mixed fraction. Now we take some question of this, some part of this question. Now A part, 3 multiply 5 whole 1 upon 5. This mixed fraction converted into the improper fraction. Now 2 multiply 5 5 ja 25 and 126 upon 5. We get 26 2 ja 52 upon 5, and then we get here 52 divided by 5. We get 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5, and we write here 2. We cannot divide 5 2 by 5, therefore we put 0 here. Then that will be, we get 10 whole and 2 upon 5. Then answer is 10 whole 2 upon 5. Now all of the students can solve such type of the questions. And now we will come on question number 7. Question number 7 is find 1 upon 2 of 2 whole 3 upon 4. Find, question number 7 is find A part 1 upon 2 of first part is 2 right 2 whole 3 upon 4. Now we can solve it. 1 upon 2 of 2 whole 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply 4 to 8 3 ja 8 and 3 11 upon 4. Then we get 11 upon 8, and here we divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 3 we get 8 3, and answer is 1 whole 3 by 8. Then students, we can solve such type of the questions very easily, and I hope you become able to solve the exercise number 2.2, and next day tomorrow I will explain the exercise number 2.3. Okay, and best of luck.